Man pensa ya kanam bat keburom jong Dr DD Lapang ubadai menteri rangba barim kejela badunong aibut jog sorkar jela ka University of Science and Technology kalai kyrteng kerpang ya kawei ka blok ka ba kilai kyrteng kum ka Dr DD Lapang blok ya kene ka yeng na ne ka blok ka ba latip kyrteng kum ka Dr DD Lapang blok la Plie da Dr DD Lapang ha kejing don lang jong Vice Chancellor ka USTM ki riurang ba na ka rib hoy bat kiwei haba keren ha kede kasngi Dr DD Lapang ulapan pawe kejing don kam jong ka jaka pule kejing wat benya bat ka kamram jong ki jaka pule kum ka school USTM ki bal ai jing start halor kalawei jong ki samla habun ki banta na kaliang Dr DD Lapang ulapan paru kejing sngokmen bagani ka school ba kalakan mau kerpang yu.
Dear friends, it is really a great joy to be here today. Before I start about the background of this area, I would like to tell you, there was a time where I happened to be the representative of this area as an MLA. I won the election 8 times, and one of the time, the question of this city, killing has been a very deserted village where no one recognized its existence at all. But it so happened at that time, today, you can see here that this area has been transformed, this barren land, into a very difficult, a very special, acceptable, and also acceptable for all about the crisis and that have faced the people, and we become no longer a barren land, but a land where we have become educational hub of the area. Where with the hub, you are the man who has paved the way. I met you first, and I meet you always, and I also gain experience, I gain information, I gain friendship whenever I met with you. And I remember the day when this place is a barren land. And today, there was a man at the time who dared have a vision, determination, ambition in life, and that is in the image of Mr. Huck and associates. I got a name here also, Mr. DD Sharma, who is the Vice Chancellor. He is not here today, and you are DD Sharma. Okay, thank you. This time, because we have got this is furnace. There is a factory which produces leaders. Now you see, Professor DD Sharma, Vice Chancellor, USTM, he come here in 2020. And when he come here, the USTM come here about 11 years ago, and has grown very fast, and has grown to the height of it where every report is visible over the height and strength and the vision and determination of this campus here. Now, I have got reason to be proud that this portion of this belongs to Rivoy, in a very deep corner here, but from here, the banner has raised to the height where the people could see, even the international forum has recognized that there is existence, something somewhere in this area has come to the limelight. ERDF is the main agency where this forum, they call it the many departments and all, the education, research and development foundation is the main body. The ERDF is here, and all associated with them, people like this Professor D. Sharma and others, I congratulate of being the president of the Association of Indian University, this training of leadership has got the quality of leadership from this area. Well, we are very glad that under the leadership of the Chancellor and Vice Chancellor of the university is a fast growing private university in the state and in the region of the area. Now, you also I got this chance to be with you, to interact with you for a few minutes. Yes, I have not, I have crossed 90 years now. I am very old, it's retiring. But I'm just saying will allow me to speak by sitting also. And at the same time, I would like to say that as long as I live and survive, I will not forget the footprints and the sand of time that is remain here for all time to come. Now you see, the faculty, the staff, and the university has also developed a dean of different schools, heads of different departments of the university, teaching and non-teaching staff, and the students of the university, like without them, with everything shall be something without them also. Now the student has become killing was under my representative as name at that time. At that time, this area is very backwards and people are very, very poor. And today, I found that this has become to an educational hub, and many students and many other people from the other part of the, not only India, the world, has got a chance to study. And Ribhoi, out of the small portion here, has become a name in India and in the world, where this university also a name to be related. Then any more questions?
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.